वो पार्टी के लिए रवाना हो गए उससे पहले कि वो कपड़े बदल सकी।
They left for the party before she could get changed. They left for the party before she could get changed.
इसे आते ही खामोशी का सामना करना पड़ा।
She was met with silence when she arrived. She was met with silence when she arrived.
ड्राइंग मुकम्मल तौर पर फट चुकी थी।
The drawing had been torn off completely. The drawing had been torn off completely.
इसने जल्दी से एक छोटा सा बहाना बनाया।
He hurriedly pulled up a short excuse. He hurriedly pulled up a short excuse.
मैंने सूरतहाल की बेयकीनी को महसूस किया।
I felt the uncertainty of the situation. I felt the uncertainty of the situation.
उनके सामने खतरा मंडला रहा था।
Danger loomed before them. Danger loomed before them.
वो थक हार कर घर पहुंची।
She got home winded and tired. She got home winded and tired.
वो बोलने पर मजबूर लग रहा था।
He sounded forced to speak. He sounded forced to speak.
वो तकरीर के लिए पीछे हट गए।
They retreated to the back for the speech. They retreated to the back for the speech.
घर वालों ने मामूल के मुताबिक बात की।
The family conversed as normal. The family conversed as normal.